We also have that. Okay, this thing. No, this thing will fall off.
But see, regarding this, that's what I think. I'm just showing. Because we can't say anything else.
Yes.
Let the court decide.
Let the court decide, yes.
It's already in the court. Now they let the court decide because they have everything, all papers.
Let the court decide. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
In fact, we wanted to go to that.
Oh, he's the landowner.
Landowner of the.
So right now the court has, so now the court. So I think that's it. That's it for today. We now what that what is this?
Another is
এতিয়া এইখিনি মানুহ অসম এইটো নিৰ্ভৰ কিয় লগাইছে এতিয়া এইটো ঘৰ কাৰ হয় এইটো ঘৰৰ মালিক কোন এইটো বৰ্ডাৰ এইটো মানে মেঘালয় এইটো অসম আৰু এইফালে মেঘালয় বজাৰখনৰ কথা তাৰমানে তেওঁলোক এতিয়া At present, this area is Meghalaya and this area is Assam. Although we are demanding another 40. Let's come.
Ka regional committee balalam khmat doba preston tensong sembut menteri rangba ka sarkar jilla menta ka sngi ka khandai tarik risau arhajar arpuwei kilalait banjurep biki benta khapot kata jong ka pilang kata bat khana para cluster hakaba hakate ka jingle jurep lawan banyadon lang do menteri jong ka sarkar asam upijos hazarika Hadin baladep kajing jurep yekite ki artili ki cluster nakaliang uba preston tensong habakran shakilat pathai khubor uloong Bagatei kajing jurep harangkat baru menteri jongka sarkar Assam komka sarkar kala shemmi kajing kit khli ban penbet yakane kajing kabalabat deki bon snem hagaba menta kasngi lala banyo ban wan jurep yaki artili ki cluster kata ka pilang kata bat khana para cluster bar hakitayo ki banbot onangyo ban lekmi saya ki weipat ki cluster ki bah khapot Badulo ongru bayamenta kadai betang ke jingjurep nakaliang baro arjela bad onra yaka report seki menteri rangba jong baro arjela kataru hado ba ondala deplut ban pendep yaka jingjurep yaki benta khapot baro bad yaka rai on sashim daki ar ki menteri rangba jong ki arjela
I'm on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I'm so thankful to the Honorable Minister, Mr. Hazarika, representing the state government of Assam. Because you are all aware that recently the decision was taken between both the Chief Minister, Assam and Meghalaya, that those area of differences that we have all along the interstate border between Assam and Meghalaya, we need to go on the ground, we need to physically do the inspection. So I'm so happy to tell you today, we were able to cover at least six to seven places, which is known as, one is Pilangkata cluster and number two is Khanapara cluster. So both these clusters we already visited along with the Honorable Minister. So on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I'm so thankful to him. Please understand one thing, this is our inspection. This is only our inspection, both sides. We hear also some views from the local residents of those places, but ultimately this will be taken it up with the highest authority of both the states, means between the Chief Minister of Assam and the Chief Minister of Meghalaya very soon, where we have to do. And the second phase, I think most likely within this month. The name of the place is Baklapara. I think within this month again we will undertake the inspection, physical inspection to the remaining areas which is already agreed between the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam in the level of the Chief Minister. So I would like to request.
I have already
Okay.
told.
Are you already?
Just one request for Meghalaya.
Okay. Proceed.
So what would you like to share with us? This is a field visit only. We have listened the people of the both of the state. Meghalaya people also have said, and Assam people also have said. But decision will be taken by our honorable chief ministers in high-level meetings. I will submit a report, but this is our not total visit. We have to do another round. So with doing both the round, we'll submit our report. Accordingly, our chief ministers will take decision. There is a meeting.
In plain areas, basically there is no Meghalaya people. Basically, this
No.
Here
These are all
Yeah, don't fight.
Don't say like that.
See,
Don't say
no,
that.
don't.
Maybe
You are from here. Where you are from?
I'm from the Himalayan.
Which part? Which part?
I'm the Basan.
From here, how many? How?
We are looking all about this
No, you
area.
can't say that.
Yes.
I am asking
We have the
inhabitant of this
traditional
people.
head. We have the traditional
Boss, I am asking inhabitant of this people. Even she is not here. She
Yeah.
is not from here.
This
She is
this
from
the
Shillong
headman.
only.
This is the headman.
She is from
He is the
Shillong.
headman.
He is the headman. How far from here?
You tell him.
আপোনাৰ ঘৰ কিমান দূৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা? কিমান?
It is our Meghalaya.
He is already in Meghalaya. He is already in Meghalaya. Our people not asking. আমাৰ আপোনাৰ ঘৰ ক'ত? আপুনি কোনখিনি? আমাৰ এইখিনি মানুহ কোন কোন? মোক সেইটোৱে দেখাব লাগে। একো নালাগে।
আমাৰ যিখিনি ইয়াতে মেঘালয় আছে বাকী
সেইটো কৈছোঁ।
যিখিনি এৰিয়া আমাৰ ইয়াতে আছে গুটি আছে এটা চব মেঘালয়
Already,
Meghalaya. He had done Meghalaya. Things are staying in the hill areas.
আমাৰ গাঁওবোৰ আপুনি আমাৰ গাঁৱৰ প্ৰধান নম্বৰে কোনখিনি লৈকে আমাৰ
যিখিনি প্ৰচলিত মুখ্য প্ৰচলিত গোটেই প্লেন এৰিয়াখিনি আমাৰ
কিন্তু মাটিখিনি কাৰ কণ্ট্ৰল আছে This land till that crusher under your possession. But our people demanding this land that this land belong to us also. But already these lands are in your possession. But from that crusher gate, this is totally Assam.
There's already a wall also, sir. There's already a wall.
That's right, from there.
There.